Hello, welcome back to Jasmine Fields Speaks. I am Jasmine Fields. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick hack on how to make sure that your baby's shoes are the right size. We've purchased shoes for Lillian since the day she was born. However, she didn't really start wearing them on a daily basis until she was about 8 months old. She started walking right before her first birthday. Lillian had to start wearing shoes every single day when she moved from her nursery classroom to her pre-tot classroom. And so, Dad and I started shopping around to make sure that she had enough shoes to get her through the week. Well, the problem that we ran into is that even though one may be a size 3 and the next shoe may also be a size 3, they don't actually match. For example, here's a size 3 tennis shoe and a size 3 sandal, and when you put them back to back, they're not even close to being the same size, at least as it appears on the outside. What that means is that you can't just go by the number on the shoe to determine whether or not they fit. Most people would naturally try to put the baby's foot up against the bottom of the shoe. However, what we learned is that the inside of the shoe is also very, very different. Some of them have more padding, some of them have less padding, and so it's not a really good indicator by putting the baby's foot up against the bottom of the shoe. The second thing that we tried to make sure that Lillian's shoe fit was by putting her foot on a measuring plate. But again, if this is a size 3 and this is also a size 3, the measuring plate actually didn't do very much good. And of course, the last thing that you may try is just putting the baby in the shoe, standing them up, and trying to feel their toe. Well, one, you may not be able to locate their toe because they don't know how to wiggle their toes yet. In addition to that, when babies stand, they don't always stand flat-footed, so they're not actually spreading out into the shoe. So after trying all of that, I had Lily's shoes all over the floor, and I was still at a loss for which shoes actually fit and which ones didn't. I decided that I had to find a little hack. And so my hack came in the form of a straw. All you're going to do is you're going to place the straw into the shoe, and you're going to slide it all the way up so that it's in the big toe. Then you're going to bend the straw, use it just like a tape measure, and push it all the way back to the heel, and it'll bend for you. And then once you've taken it out, you'll be able to have an exact measurement on how long the inside of the shoe is. And then you can actually measure baby's foot using the straw. One thing that was communicated to us when we were in the shoe store is that you're going to want about a 1/2 inch from the baby's big toe to the end of the shoe. So maybe keep that in mind when you're measuring it out on your straw. So again, those traditional methods of measuring your shoe and the baby's foot may not actually work just because of the variance within the shoes and your baby's inability to communicate with you how that shoe is feeling on their foot. But if you use a little hack, such as a straw, to measure from the big toe to the heel of the shoe, you'll be able to determine whether or not this is a good fit for baby.
Thanks
so much for stopping by Jasmine Fields Speaks. In the comments below, let me know if there's something else that you're struggling with when it comes to fitting baby into shoes or clothes. For more life hacks on how to make your life easier, happier, healthier, and wealthier, please make sure that you subscribe. And as always, I am Jasmine Fields. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.